This video will show how to install the latch belt into the vehicle for the MPS car seat. First, locate the latch system within your vehicle. Take the latch strap and click it into place, making sure that it is secure. Then you'll repeat on the other side of the car seat. Again, pull on the strap to make sure it's secure. Reposition the car seat and then tighten down on the belt. If you kneel into the car seat, it will depress it so that it is into the vehicle seat as much as possible to make it stable so that it doesn't move. In addition, you'll need to attach the top tether strap. If your vehicle has a headrest, make sure to thread the tether strap underneath the headrest. Make sure that you don't have any twists in the top tether strap. Locate the anchor within your vehicle and attach the top tether strap to the anchor, making sure it's secure, and then completely tighten down on the top tether strap.